This is going to make us real happy because I am fixing to make a banoffee pie. And there's several steps in this. We are going to make us a graham cracker crust in our 9-inch pie pan. And we're going to bake that off for just a few minutes. And let me see, I can't remember, do I have to melt the butter? No, just softened. Ooh, but I'm going to have to go get it soft because it's hard right now. I got it real soft, y'all, but it's all right. It's all right because usually when I make a graham cracker crust, I usually always melt the butter, so we're all right. Look at that, and I had it on defrost, y'all. So that's like a stick and maybe a fourth of another stick. You know, a little trick. It's a good little trick. To not throw something like this away because it makes a great way to grease a dish, and it'll last two or three times like that. So I'm gonna just mix this up and press it into our pan, and we're gonna put that in the oven and cook it just for a few minutes, just so that that crust can get firm and cuttable. Because if you didn't cook it, you know, it would be kind of messy when you go to cut it. So I want to make sure you get all those crumbs wet. So that's mixed up real good. Now, I like the fact that it's got that much butter in it because it's gonna give us a nice crisp crust. Because that butter is gonna do its trick. Right, Teresa girl?
Yes, ma'am. I'm looking to see what type of $3.50.
Yeah, $3.50. About 5 minutes, not long. All right, we got banoffee pie coming up, y'all. We're going to take our 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, which this is so good. You could drink it right out of the can, y'all. Now, we are going to put this in a water bath, y'all. And this is going to turn into like a brown toffee. Uh-oh. Now, I'm going to cover this with tin foil. And seal it up real tight. And then I'm going to sit it in a larger pan. And we're going to put this in a water bath. Okay. And we'll want to put enough water in it till it comes about halfway up the side of our pan. Then we're going to put this in the oven, y'all, and we're going to cook it for an hour and a half. And when we take it out, it's going to be a beautiful golden brown toffee. Okie dokie, y'all. We actually cooked this about 2 hours, and I'll tell you why. Because we had it sitting on a cookie sheet. Should not have done that because there was too many layers for it to get through to cook. So don't put this on a baking sheet. Put it in your oven just like this. And you can see it's nice and pie-like, y'all. So we've got to let this cool completely. And then we're going to put this in our pie shell. All right, we're going to finish our banoffee pie. Now, this is what our sweetened condensed milk looks like after it's cooked. And like I said, don't put it on a baking sheet. Just sit this pan inside a larger pan and it will work faster. Look at that. That stuff is so good. It's amazing how that just turns into the best. No, it's nasty, Michael. He started his diet yesterday. So just going to try to spread that around evenly. I'm going to set that aside for a second. That is so good. And now I'm going to slice our bananas. And I will be putting a little fresh fruit on them so they won't brown so easily. And it won't take me but a second to slice these up. Calls for 3 bananas. I'm going to bring that out because I want to cover those bananas, and that will help them not turn brown so fast. You know, I'm going to have to finish letting this get cool. So I'm going to have to put it back in the refrigerator and let it sit there and get even more delicious. If that's possible. Banoffee pie, y'all. It's so nice and chilled. And the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle it with just a little bit of graham cracker crumbs. Just to give it, you know, just a little interest. Okay, here we go. What you think?
It's good.
And it looked delicious. Mm. It's so incredibly good, y'all. And it's so easy to make. You know, the timing is just letting that sit in the oven, you know, for a couple of hours and let it turn in. Eddie, there's your dessert, my dear. I didn't double dip, so it's safe. Love his best dishes, y'all. I love it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.